In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a domain name and then associate it with any of your landing pages. It's very simple. But before I do that, let me show you very quickly how to get to your domain name manager. I'm on the home page right here. I go to My Resources and Domain Manager. Click on that, and then you're taken to the page where you can order, purchase, or use an existing domain. Now, I'm not going to go through the purchase process right here because once you purchase, the process is the same. So let me just take you through using existing domain. I have a domain that I have already purchased, and so I'm going to use that. Here it goes. I'm going to click on this, and I'll put the domain name in here, Advancing to Wellness, okay? And then all I do is click on Register, and then I'm taken to the instructions where it says to place the name servers, change the name servers to this setting, NS1 and NS2 right here. And there's this link here. You can click on that, get further instructions. But in my bulk register account, I can change that very easily. I just take this, I copy this, and I go into my bulk register account, and this is where I've done it already, Advancing to Wellness, and name server 1, name server 2, there it is. I clicked on Save. So if you have an account with GoDaddy or whatever other service, it should be as simple as that. Go into the name server settings, change the NS1, NS2, that's name server 1, name server 2, make it sure it's saved, and then your domain name would then be pointing to these new domain name servers, which is that responsive data. And once you do that, that's it, we're done, okay? So let's go ahead and go back now to Resources and then Domain Manager. And now you notice that I have two of the domains I've set up like this, and domain assignment that's not in use at this point. And right here I can associate it with any of the landing pages that I have in the system. I'll click on Edit, and there it is. Point to landing page. This is great. So what would you like to do with www.advancingtowellness? I just choose a page here. I can do Network Moms. I can choose the diet one, Lose 20, and Network Biz, and Network Pure Oil. So let's just say Advancing to Wellness. Let's use the Pure Oil one, and you can set up subdomains as well. And once you set this up, you can go in and add, for example, advancingtowellness.com could point to the Pure Oil site, and then a subdomain could be advancingtowellness.com/biz could then point to Smart Biz Today, and then you can have advancingtowellness.com/profit, and you can have it point to the iProfit page. So that's what's great, and it doesn't cost you any extra. You just use one domain and have as many subdomains as you wish. Okay, so right now we're going to leave it on landing. We're not going to worry about marketing, just the landing pages. That's all you want to deal with right now. And I'm going to go back into Network Pure Oil. Pure Oil Today is the domain name, and I click on Save. Now once you save this, you click on Close, and there it is, the domain. It's now associated with Network Pure Oil landing page, and you can go and edit anytime and change that as often as you like. This is great, especially if you have a business card, because if you have, in this example, advancingtowellness.com pointing to the Pure Oil page, then if I want to change it to any of the other landing pages, I don't have to change my business cards, advertising in newspaper, links that I've sent out to people. I don't have to change any of that because I can change this on the fly. And so if somebody goes to advancingtowellness.com, previously they're going to the Pure Oil page, but if I change it to iProfit now, then when they type in advancingtowellness.com, it would then land on iProfit Now. So you do that on the fly as often as you like, okay? That's how simple that is. I thought I would just make one more mention of something here. When I go to the landing page and I look at these different landing pages that I have, if I go to the Pure Oil one, I just finished associating a qualified domain, advancingtowellness.com, to this Pure Oil Today page. You'll notice, though, it says in the URL here, raholt.enhancedlivingtoday.com/go10. Now that's the link that goes directly to this page. If you ever forget what your domain is pointing to, you do not look on the landing page here. Don't be confused on the landing page. You don't go there. Just simply go to Resources and go to Domain Manager, and then find your domain right here, Advancing to Wellness, and this is saying that it's pointing to the Pure Oil landing page. It's that simple. You can go into Edit, and you can actually see the picture of the landing page that you have it pointing to. So if you ever forget, that's how you do it. Hope that helps. Thank you.